Hello everyone, welcome to Abhyaas Lawprep channel. My name is Pawan and I am the product manager of Clat here in Abhyaas. Today I am going to discuss with you about the NLU seats vacant notification in DSNLU Vizag. So each and every NLU generally places their vacant seats notification in their own website. So it is a tedious process to check each and every website. So what we have done is we have curated all the NLU vacant seats notification and the application links into one single web page of our own institution. So you can go to directly lawprep.in, and in that you can go to the notifications tab which I am showing here right now. So click on that one and you will be redirected into NLU Vacant Seats, where you can see here. Click on that and next you can go to, or you can see here, all the NLUs are listed down with their vacant notification and also application link. So now I am doing the video for DSNLU Vizag. So it is here DSNLU Vizag. You can click on the notification here directly. So I'll click on this one. So this is the notification, the one which I've opened already. So now in this notification you can see the main details are they are inviting applications to 5-year BA LLB and also 1-year LLM. We are not considering this one as of now. Now we are only discussing about 5-year BA LLB program. And here last date to apply it online is July 31st 2022. How to apply? First thing is you have to pay the fee. Pay the application fees. Application fees, how much is the application fees? You can see here you have to pay 1000 rupees non-refundable processing fee to the specified bank account in point number 12. Okay, so what is point number 12? This Union Bank Savings Bank. Okay, this is the account number. You have to pay to it through NEFT. You have to pay to it through NEFT. After paying it, then you will get a transaction receipt. Keep the transaction receipt with you. I will tell you what you have to do with that in the next step. Next date of counseling is on August 3rd 2022, morning 10 hours. Okay, up to 10 o'clock in the morning. How many vacant seats are there? All India General 8 vacant seats are there, and AP State SC category 2 vacant seats are there. These are for BA LLB. Next, who can apply? The candidates getting less than 3500 rank All India General can apply, and also the candidates who are getting less than 40,000 rank in only SC category of AP can apply to the notification given. Next, for 1-year LLM program, we are not considering this one. Next, last date to make an application is on July 31st 2022 midnight. Okay, July 31st 2022. University will notify the merit list on August 1st 2022. Okay, the candidates will be invited for counseling on August 3rd 2022. Next, here is a form who are desirous to apply for the admission and also comes under the eligibility criteria given in the form can click on this Google form link which is given here. So if you click on that Google form link, you will get this form. Okay, here type your email, which course you are doing, UG, Clat, admit number, name of the applicant as per your 10th and SSC, the category in which you want to apply, and also your Clat rank, and non-refundable processing fee of 1000 rupees, the payment reference number which you get in the transaction receipt, and your contact number, and click on submit. After submitting this in the Google form, by when you have to supply? July 31st 2022, and merit list is on August 1st, and he will call for counseling process on August 3rd 2022. So this is the process, and the candidates seeking admission are invited for counseling, and they have to pay the following fees by 1 p.m. on August 3rd 2022. How much you have to pay? For BA LLB, first installment will be 1,30,000. Where you have to pay? Again the same thing, NEFT online to register DSNLU using these account details. Okay, this is about the admission program. After paying all the things, then you have to send the following documents scan to the admissions@dsnlu.ac.in after the merit list is notified. After merit list is notified, you will be invited to counseling and you will send the following documents and go to attend the counseling. Next, 10th or equivalent mark statement, 12th, and also CC and TC, and any other supporting documents like category if you have any. These documents are to be scanned and submitted to the following email given in the notification. So this is about the NLU vacant seats in Vizag. I will come again with the other videos of other NLUs. So till then, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and also bookmark the page which I have given to you in the starting, that is lawprep.in. I will also attach its description in the description. So also share this video with all the other Clat aspirants out there. I wish you all the best. Thank you.